The EVEAGE Electric Pressure Washer boasts a powerful 1,800-watt motor that delivers up to 3,500 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute, making it highly effective for various cleaning tasks. This pressure washer features a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, conserving energy and extending the pump's lifespan. With a 20-foot high-pressure hose and an onboard hose reel, this unit is designed for convenience, reducing the risk of kinks and simplifying the winding and unwinding process. The washer comes equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, allowing users to adjust the pressure for different surfaces, thus enhancing cleaning efficiency and accessibility to hard-to-reach areas. Its wheeled upright trolley design ensures easy and safe mobility, while the mesh stock and cable hook provide organized storage for the spray gun and electric cable. Ideal for cleaning cars, driveways, patios, and outdoor furniture, the EVEAGE Electric Pressure Washer is a versatile tool that meets a wide range of cleaning needs.